Sir Fitz, if I invest my 12 million in Pag-ibig MP2 and live on the interest of 4% of my monthly cost is 40K, is it advisable to invest the whole 12 million in Pag-ibig MP2? Okay? Or I still need to diversify the 12 million to other types of investment. Just want your opinion regarding this. Thank you. Okay? May follow-up ka ba? Wala. Kinakati ako bukas ng spreadsheet, so gagawin natin siya para makapag-compute tayo ng maayos. So, magbubukas lang tayo ng Excel. So, meron kang 12 million na gusto mong ilagay sa Pag-ibig MP2. I think ang Pag-ibig MP2, safe to say na pwede siya magbigay ng 6% a year na dividends, no? So, yun na lang. So, this is times 0.06. Yan, 720. So, i-divide natin to ng 12. So, more or less 60,000. Kaya, kasi sabi mo 40,000 a month lang yung cost mo. Sige, let's be more conservative sa sinabi mo. Kaya 40,000. Okay. So, ang tanong is, kailangan mo ba ilagay yung buong 12 million sa Pag-ibig MP2? So, ganito. Initially, I would say yes. Pwede mo ilagay sa buong Pag-ibig MP2. But that means waiting 5 years sa maturity niya bago mo makuha yung pera na magiging budget mo for the next 5 years. You will need to wait 5 years, which is, I think, hindi naman siya ganun ka-challenging given na meron kang 12 million. Let's assume na yung Pag-ibig MP2 ay hindi lang 4% yung kinita niya. Let's just say 5%. So, this one times 1.05 raised to the 5th power. So, at the end of 5 years, meron kang 15 million. Which means, yung 40,000 a month times 5 times 12, ang kailangan mo lang for the next 5 years na assuming na 12% is 2.4 million. Tama? Yeah, 2.4 million. So dito, ang mawi-withdraw mo, kasi i-roll over mo, di ba? Meron kang maro-roll over na 3 million. So, i-minus mo yung 2.4 million, meron kang extra na 900,000, sabihin na lang natin. Ito 900,000, ito ngayon yung i-invest mo in other assets. Okay? So, ganyan yung magiging strategy ko sa'yo. So, yes, pwede mong i-invest yung 12 million sa Pag-ibig MP2 for the next 5 years. After 5 years, kunin mo yung 2.4 million na kinita niya for your 40,000 pesos na monthly cost. Yung excess, i-invest mo in other assets. I would suggest in a mutual fund or even in a dividend-paying asset like a preferred share or 900,000. Pwede siyang down payment sa isang rental property so that for every cycle, kasi iiwanan mo ulit yung 12, di ba? So for every cycle, 5-year cycle ng Pag-ibig MP2, una-una, you will have more money to invest in other assets while securing yung basic expenses mo, yung basic necessity mo na 40,000. So that's how I would diversify. And I feel safe na gawin yan because the mere fact that you're still young and you were able to save 12 million pesos, that means you are a productive person. So, kahit na hindi ka pa diversified at the start, it's okay because you have your earning capacity as your safety net. But as you grow older, and of course, we cannot really put all our eggs in one basket, the earnings that Pag-ibig MP2 will generate can now be the one that you can diversify on. So yan yung aking advice sa iyo, Chris. No? So I hope ay nakatulong sa iyo. One time, big time na yung 12 million na yan. I think that's safe enough. So anyway, I hope I was able to answer your question, Chris.